Let's discuss 7th question in exercise 13.1. A tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. A tent is in the shape of cylinder. Below is cylinder and above part is cone. Okay. See this figure. This is a cylinder. Above is conical top. This is the tent. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part, height and diameter, height equal to height of the cylinder, cylinder height is given 2.1 meters and diameter is 4 meters respectively, and slant height of top is 2.8 meters. Slant height means this slope, okay. Slant height L equal to slant height L equal to 2.8 meters. Find the area of the canvas used for making tent. Here using some cloth for making tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 rupees per meter square. Okay, each meter 500 rupees. Each meter square 500 rupees. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. Okay, here only canvas used for this part, curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of cylinder, not base. Okay, this outer part. Okay, so what is the total surface area? First draw the figure. This is the diagram. Below one is cylinder, above top is cone. Okay, first find the surface area. Surface area of tent equal to curved surface area of cylinder. Here canvas used for curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of cone, not base of the cylinder. Okay, so surface area of tent equal to surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi or h. Curved surface area of cone is pi or L. Here L is slant length. Pi r is common. 2h plus L. Pi value 22/7. R value, diameter is given 4 meters. Then radius equal to diameter by 2, 4/2, which is equal to 2 meters. 2 meters. 2 into height of the cylinder is given 2.1 meter. 2.1. L is a slant length 2.8 meters. 2.8 meters. 22 into 2, 44/7. 2 into 2.1 is 4.2 plus 2.8. 44/7 into 4.2 plus 2.8 is 7. 7 get cancelled, which is equal to 44 meter square. This is the surface area of tent. Here we have to find total cost of the canvas for making a tent. So total cost of canvas for making a tent. Total surface area. So total surface area of tent. Total surface area of tent into cost for meter square. Total surface area tent is 44 meter square into cost for each meter square is 500 rupees. 44 into 500, right? Yes, 1000 by 2, 22 times 22,000. Okay, therefore 22,000 rupees will be the total cost of the canvas.